Good morning. So I hope you will be fine. My name is Rajugan Mandal, and in this video we will solve a question. And question says that you have to declare three integer variables and print the maximum values. So let's see how we will do this in your VS Code or how to visualize the code. So what is this question is saying? So this question is saying that you have to declare three integer variables. So let's assume if I create int a is equal to 20, your int b is equal to 30 and int c is equal to 40. So we have created three integers. Okay. So what is our next work? We need to compare these variables and print the maximum value. So what we will do first? We will use if else case. So we will see if we will write this if a greater than is equal to b. So this is your if condition. So here we are checking a greater than is equal to b. It's possible this argument. So now we will write a if block if a greater than is equal to b. What is the possible answer of this? A may be greater than is equal to b or a less than is equal to b. There are only two possibilities. Then we will use a else block further, but we will solve this block first. So let's assume if we come inside this block, your a is greater than b. So now what is our next work? Our work to check a greater than is equal to c. So now we will check a greater than is equal to c. If this blocks gives true, it means your a is greater than is equal to b and a is equal to greater than is equal to c. It means b and c is less than is equal to a. So here we will print system dot out dot print your less value which is a. So this block says that your a is greater than equal to b and c. But what happen if it will give false? It means your a less than is equal to c. If a is less than is equal to c, it means c is greater than is equal to c. C is greater than is equal to a and a is already greater than is equal to b. So it means c is more greater. So in else block, we will print this c value. So this if block has been done. Now time to execute your else block. So what is else block? Basically we know that this line gives true value or false value. When a is greater than is gives true. But what happens if it gives false? It means your b is greater than. Then we will write a else block. And if we come in this block area, it means your a is less than is equal to b. So now time to check your b greater than is equal to c. So if this line gives true, it means your b greater than is equal to c, and here you can see your b already greater than is equal to a. It means in this area your b is greater than. So here we will print your b value. So this line also gives the true or false value. So if it's give true, it means your b is greater than. But what happen if we give it false? It means your c is your greater than. If your c greater than is equal to b, then here you else case b already greater than is equal to a. It means your greater than value is equal to c. Here we need to print the value of c. So this is your final conclusion. So let's see this how to write in this VS Code. So here you can see I have created three integer variable. So now we will need to compare. So what we are doing in this, first we will check a greater than is equal to b. If a greater than is equal to b, If it's give true, then we will check if a less greater than is equal to c. If it also gives true, then we will print value a. If this block a greater than equal to c, if it gives false, it means your c is your greater than is equal to a. Then we will print your value of c. So this is your basically if block. Basically, so this is your if block. So this possible answer is covered, but this line it means if it gives true, then we will enter in this block. But what happens if this line gives false? It means your a is less than is equal to c. It means your a less than is equal to b. So we will write here else case. Then we will check if this line gives a less than is equal to b. Then we will check if b greater than is equal to c. If this says that yes, b is greater than or equal to c, then basically we will print this. Then we will print b. But if this line gives false, it means your c is your greater than is equal to b. So now here we will write else block. It means your c is greater than is equal to b. It means c is greater than is equal to also a. So here we will write println. Then here we will print c. So now we will run this code java p.java. So let's see this. So it's giving compiling error. Let's see the what is the error. It's saying else block. Okay, basically we will take some syntax mistake else and one more else. Where is the else? So already done. So now we will run this code. Here you can see your 40 has been printed. So let's change the value. If I add here 70, now we will see what is the printing of this program. So here your greater value is equal to 70. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe my channel, which motivates me. So thank you.